Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new over here, I'm Rejira, your virtual friend. Today I'm going to share you how to improve your writing if you are beginner. If you are beginner, you find very hard to write. But what is the best technique that will help you to improve your writing style? Yes, there is something easy method. So the method it's very easy. I think you have heard many times, but you have not applied in your life. But today, I will share with you what is this technique. This technique is journaling. Do you know what is journaling, or have you ever heard about journaling? I hope every person has heard about journaling. So, if you don't know what is journaling, journaling is a process of recording your thought or writing your or the process of writing your thought on the paper by catching this pencil. So, this is very easy. While doing journaling, you don't need to be perfect and you do not judge yourself. Okay, what you do is just write what you know without perfect grammar, without any judgment. You just have to write. So before that, I want to share my story that how I changed my writing style by journaling and how I improved. So I'm not from an English boarding school. I'm from government school. So you know the government school doesn't really focus on your English. So today I will share. This is my diary, or you can say the journaling copy. But there are so many differences between the journaling and a diary. Okay, diary writing, because journaling means recording your own thought. Okay, recording your own thought, the real and the pure thought. But diary means what are the things you did uh, when you woke up, when you brushed your teeth, etc. And these two techniques really helps. So this is my journal paper. I had written this when I was in class 11, and I used to write like that. To be honest, I really did not focus on grammar, the basic grammar, because I know the basic grammar, subject plus verb plus object, and the negative pattern. So I knew this, and I did this. I really did not care about my grammar. And what this technique really helped me because when I used to sit to write something about my thought, what I was feeling in day, and I used to think about something I really did not know the exact vocabulary. At that time, I used to search on Google or dictionary, and then I used to write. At that time, I learned the phrase "to be honest." I learned in class 11 because I wanted to be really and truly to me. So there are so many error, like the error in pronunciation, error in grammar, error in so many things. So this is my journey, and I started to write again. I started to write again, and this is my journaling. This is my journaling. Then I started to feel that Yes, I have improved my writing style, and my writing style is improving like that. I started to write, and still I write every day. Journaling is the part of my life, and this is the best habit I have adopted in my life, because this habit really helps me to uh, follow my passion, as well as writing is my passion. And the next thing is, it really helps me to overcome my stress, the daily stress, academic stress, everything, because I always express my reality, my real thought on the paper. So this is the very best method you can use. So try this method. Do not wait to be perfect. Just do it. Just do it. Hold your pen and start to write. Because when you start today, then you will be better tomorrow. You will be better tomorrow, 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 tomorrow. And one day you will see the result, and you will observe this magic, what it can really do. Journaling is the best method to improve your writing, because I am the evidence. I have changed my writing style, the vocabulary, everything. So what are you waiting for? Just do it. Okay, you can do journaling and you can do both diary writing, but journaling is very helpful to release your stress, as well as it really helps to improve your writing. And diary writing is also very important, very useful, you can use and in order to improve this state your writing. So do it today, do not wait tomorrow. Okay, so this much for today. I hope you will adopt this habit from tomorrow, and you will be the great one who improve writing style by journaling. And this is reality. You can change your writing style. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. And I hope you liked my video. If you like my video, please join with us, like, comment, and share. Okay? Thank you.